practical suggestions for achieving affiliate marketing success. Affiliate marketing can be a lot of work, and there are so many ways that someone can either improve upon the program or change the program entirely. So whether you need more techniques to help promote your site, or if you're looking for a new program to promote your site, take a look at the tips below. When putting affiliate links on your blog, be transparent about the point of the links. If you hide the affiliate link, you make people suspicious about your motives. If instead you tell your readers that your link is an affiliate link, they feel positive about your honesty and may be more likely to buy from your links. If you're just starting out as an affiliate marketer, you should attempt to keep your campaigns small by only going with one solid product. See if you have a knack for the game or not. If you begin to make commissions on products, then you can begin to expand your presence online. But keep it small to start. Make a strong attempt to cut down on your too good to be true offers on your webpage. Sometimes, this can appear as illegitimate, as the average visitor may watch this as a scam. Stick to the description of the product you offer and explain exactly what the customer will receive. To increase profit, try to be as unique as possible when you are writing the text of your website. The more individualized you are, the better chance that you have to stand out from the pack. This will result in an increase in sales and more credibility for your organization. Affiliate marketing can be a very effective tool to have in your arsenal for promoting your business. You may already have a successful business, but you may want to know how to promote it further, or you may want to learn something new for future marketing plans. No matter your reasons, hopefully the tips above have given you some ideas. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.